Hi, I'm Harish Kodeti and welcome back to my channel AWS for Small Businesses. This channel is dedicated to help small businesses explore AWS services and build a strong business with technology and within a cost-effective way. So today's topic is every business needs to have a business continuity and disaster recovery plan or a strategy, and I want to explain how Amazon S3, the simple storage service, can really fit into this whole strategy. How it can help you, you know, how it can become the core part of your, business continuity and disaster recovery strategy. So let's continue. If you are new to this channel and don't know who I am, I'm Harish Godeti. I started my career in tech support and grew to the role of chief architect and distinguished engineer. And I worked at CA Technologies and Pitney Bowes in the US. Lived in and worked in the US for 6 years. I moved back to start my own consulting firm. And for the last 3 years, I'm helping small businesses and accounting firms, especially accounting firms as in Canada, US, and with digital transformation initiatives, especially around AWS. So right now, I'm on a mission to help at least 1,000 small businesses save IT costs and scale using AWS services. So that's my backstory. That's where that's my whole background in technology. So let's continue with today's topics. Let's first understand what is business continuity. It involves keeping all essential aspects of a business functioning despite significant disruptive event. So your business should continue as usual even if you face a disruptive events. That's what business continuity is about. Then what about disaster recovery? So it is a subset of your business continuity. It is in a disaster, obviously, is an event that causes serious negative impact on your business, whether it could be like COVID, whether it could be like a earthquake, or maybe a cyber attack. Doesn't matter. It could be human induced or nature, right? So disaster recovery is a set of protections that permit the recovery of continuation of technology infrastructure and systems following a natural or human induced disaster. Basically what it means is your technology, whatever you have, should continue as not, recover and work as designed, and after if you face a situation. So that's what it is. So typically disaster recovery includes an out of region recovery. So you're, let's say you are in New Jersey, your business is in New Jersey. Maybe you have the entire as part of disaster recovery strategy, you have your entire data, all the backups and that stuff like that in another region, maybe in the Utah region or something like that. So typically it includes out of region recovery. So now let's understand Amazon S3, which is simple storage service, right? What are the features that it provides to help you really, think about it as part of your business continuity and disaster recovery strategy? First thing is versioning. Versioning protects your data from consequences of deletion or modification actions by retaining the original version of the object. Version is a good mitigation plan for human type error. So once you enable a version on your bucket, so you'll have multiple versions of it, and you can, there are so many things. I'll do a complete versioning deep dive in another video, but versioning can really help you protect your data by having multiple versions. Next thing is S3 object log. This is really for businesses who have to meet a regulatory compliance to store immutable data. That data that you store should not be touched, right? So what we do is we put them in a bucket which has object lock turned on, and you put them and you retain it for a certain amount of period, and you never touch it again, right? So no one can really make changes for your regulatory requirement. The third thing is replication. This is what I was talking about, out of region thing. So you can back up your data for compliance and disaster recovery procedure into a different region. Let's say you have all your bucket data and Amazon S3 buckets in your region, East region, US East, North Virginia, and then you want to then as part of your disaster recovery, you may want to Oregon region or something like that, right? So that's really crucial. So these are the three critical, amazing features that can help you decide if Amazon S3 is the right choice for your as part of your backup business continuity and disaster recovery features. So I hope this video is useful. So what are the next steps? I'm offering the free storage strategy for your small business and also $300 in AWS credits. So if you're interested to learn more on how to how a good storage strategy can help your business, go ahead and send me an email or just leave a comment, and I'll reach out to you and we can come up with a very good storage strategy for your business. I hope you like the video. Please do subscribe to this channel, and because I'm going to share a lot of content on how AWS can transform your business. Thank you.